Jim Starwell out here on Lake Marie, showing you the best way to dock your boat at a pier. A lot of us pulling into the restaurants and stuff turns into a panic mode. How am I going to get in? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look and we're going to do a little drive-by. We're going to see what spots are open. Over in front of me I can see the docks, and I'm also going to look at the flag and the wind currents and see which way the wind's going, and I'm going to decide which side of the boat I'm going to be docking up onto. Starboard is right, port is left. We're not going to worry about that today. So we're going to say right or left. I've decided with the wind pushing me, the wind is pushing into the right side. So I'm going to be docking the boat on the right side. The right side will be tied off to the pier. So I'm going to made my pass. I'm going to come out, and now I'm going to tie on my fenders and get my landing ropes ready, my dock lines, so that when I pull in, there's no reason to panic. So let me get that prepared. Drop out my fenders. Yes, they're called fenders, not bumpers. Big deal, whatever. They're called fenders because they fend you away from the pier. I'm only going to worry about one dock line because I will be doing this on my own today. So I'm going to get that ready. Right here where I can grab it easy. Now I'm going to tell all my passengers, my crew, anybody on the boat, I'm going to tell them like, your job, what I need them to do as we get in. So in this situation, there's nobody here, but if I wanted somebody in front, I want them to stay seated. Your passengers are going to jump up, they're going to want to stand there, they're going to want to jump onto the pier. But what if you're hitting reverse about the time they're jumping up? Everybody stay seated, there's no reason to panic. I'll show you how easy we can coast on in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in a little bit farther away from the dock, and when I cut the motor, it said the wind's going to push me right on in. It's really tough to steer a smaller boat while in reverse. You may think you're going to pull the back end of the boat into the pier. You're probably not. The best thing you can steer is the front of the boat. Sometimes I'll point the front of the boat in, and then the last minute I'll pull the back end. But just small motions. I don't know if you can come over this way a little bit with the camera. I rest my hand up here so that I can have slower motions. I don't have big motions. I don't end up gunning it. So now I'm coming into the pier here. I'm a little close, so I'm gonna come away. The wind is gonna push me right on in. Right now I got a smooth coast going on. I'm gonna put it in neutral. Yep. You can see I'm getting a little close here, so now I am gonna put it in reverse. Pull the back end that way. Here we go. Here's our pier. I did come in a little bit closer than I wanted to. Not a big deal. I can move on up. Put it in neutral. Let it push me in. The wind will eventually take me there nice and smooth. I'm gonna get my rope ready. I'm comfortable. I'm gonna turn the motor right on off. All by myself, nobody has to panic. I can grab the dock. Here we go. Simple as can be.